Our grand winner, Nelson Valenzuela!
Si Nelson Valenzuela, 21 years old, ang idiniklarang nagwagi sa Fashionissimo 2011 na ginanap noong October 23, 2011 sa Palacio de Maynila.
My name is Nelson Valenzuela, 21, from Pasig City.
Tinalo niya ang 26 na iba pang kalahok mula sa buong bansa. Si Nelson ay isang dating service crew na nalo ng 200,000 pesos bilang Fashionissimo 2011 winner. Pasama ni Nelson sina JB Espiritu at Hamid Hassan sa top 3 bilang first at second runner-up.
What is your idea of dressing up?
Dinadala ko lang po yung damit sa sarili ko with full of confidence.
The event was hosted by Mark Nelson, Angel Aquino and Michael Daes, with judges composed of movie and TV actress Eula Valdez, European fashion photographer Frank Hopsmith, Star Cinema Managing Director Malo Santos, producer and talent manager Ricky Gallardo, film director Olivia Lamasan, and fashion designers Albert Andrada, Rene Salod, and Audi Espino.
You said in your profile that you've worked odd jobs so that you could support your family. What values or discipline did you get from bussing tables and restaurants that you can apply to modeling?
Sa pagpupunas po ng lamesa, pagbuhat ng toyo at bagoong, natuto po akong maging disiplinado sa sarili, maging independent, at maging determinado na umahon sa kahirapan sa buhay. Nagawa ko rin para po sa aking pamilya, lalong-lalo na po ang mama kong nagtatrabaho sa Singapore na namamasulang katulong. Gusto ko na po siyang
Our grand winner, Nelson Valenzuela!
Si Nelson ay sumali rin sa Mr. Eco Tourism Philippines 2011 at pagkatapos ng ilang taon, nag-surface out bilang candidate sa Century Tuna Superbad 2020.